So a fun trending topic is estate planning and AI. Let's get into it just a little bit. I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and we help folks achieve peace of mind through their planning by providing the utmost value every day. Like today, we're here to educate you for free, so please ask your questions and share so we can help some folks along the way. So my practice does use AI in various ways, but we wouldn't rely on it to establish an estate plan or really to provide us with 100% accurate feedback all the time for every kind of question. Certainly getting, a base understanding of different things and a core structure of questions you may have are wonderful, but having seen the results generated by general AI searches, they are not always accurate since it's still cultivating from imperfections of data and the internet. Of course, progressive companies like my own will start to use this for their internal benefit to make things a bit more efficient in how they process and handle, assisting their clients and customers. But it still comes down to two things. It comes down to the sources that are being searched, and probably more importantly, the questions being asked. Someone who didn't study or really live in the details because they're not in a particular industry is not really going to know the nuances and the proper answers for things such as the law, finance, insurance, or any other specialized type of service, without knowing what to ask the right way and how to ask it. So even if they have the background sources, the actual law, so to speak, if we're talking about legal services. So while it's a great tool, it's interesting to use and learn, I don't think we're there yet for specialized services. So keep playing, see what happens. We hope you've learned something new here today and choose to share. Again, Valerie Zammitti, estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. If you are seeking some assistance from an estate planning perspective or probate, we do both of those. And you can reach us at yourplanningattorney.com. Take care.